Hi, this is Tori Minnis with the Robert J. Fisher team. We'd like to welcome you to our virtual open house at 822 Palitine Lane in Pflugerville. This home was built in 2000. It's a two-story home with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. If you'd like any information on this property, feel free to contact us on the information listed on this video. Thanks and enjoy. Hello, welcome to our virtual open house of 822 Palitine Lane in Pflugerville. I'd like to give you a street view after we look at the front of the home. There's a 2-car garage. There's a beautiful oak tree here in the front. The front door is to the right side of the home. The home faces to the south. Here's the street view. It's a fairly quiet street. Now we're going to go into the front door, look around, and see if this is the place that you would like to call home. Here we go. As we enter in, there is stamped concrete over the whole downstairs. I'll let you see how that looks. There is a black trim around the bottom and it's kind of a dark brown. It's also scored to look like large tile. To our right of the front door, there is a coat closet here. There is some storage space under the stairs. Our stairway is to the right, and then you have the main living area, sliding glass doors. Over here to our left, we have a half bath. There is stamped concrete in here also. Let me give you a look real quick at the bathroom. The floor in here is black. Then we have another coat closet right here next to the half bath. We'll continue. Now we're going to go into the dining area. Here's the dining area. It is connected, nice windows, beautiful light fixture. There are blinds that are wood, looking out over the backyard. And now we have a bar here in the kitchen. You have some open shelving. There is an electric range. Sink, dishwasher, lots of cabinet space here in the kitchen. Again, there is stamped concrete here on the floor with the black trim. Then we're going to go into the utility pantry area. You have shelving all to the left through the length of the room, the hot water heater, and then you have space for your washer and dryer with a shelf above. This leads into the garage. It's a 2-car garage. There is some built-in shelving, hooks, garage door opener. There's matting on the floor to protect the floor. All right, back into the house. Now we're gonna go out and look at the backyard. Going back through the kitchen. Lots of good light in this house. It is about almost noon during the week, so you can see what time of day the light comes in. There is a beautiful backyard, well kept, trees, bushes. There is patio with steps down. We have fence all the way around the yard. There is a shed back here. I'm going to go out here so we can have a back view of the home. Looking back at the house, it is 3 sides brick. Nice yard. Fence is in good condition. All right, now we're going to go up and see the bedrooms. There are ceiling fans throughout the home, in the bedrooms and in the main living area. There is no carpet downstairs, but the carpet starts as we go up the stairs. There's a small landing here, and then we get to the top of the stairway. At the top of the stairs, I'm gonna look back. There are two nice windows that give lots of light. A nice light fixture here in the stairwell. This is over the front door. There's a large window. There is a small landing area here at the top of the stairs. Just let you see that. That is the air conditioning unit. There's a little bit of a ledge here at the top of the stairway. Then to your right, there is another closet here, just a linen closet. And this is the first bedroom to the right, one of the extra bedrooms. Has very nice carpet, light fixture with a ceiling fan, window, and a closet. Now we're going to go into the master bedroom, which is the next bedroom to the right. The master is huge, has a very nice ceiling fan and light fixture, two large windows. The master bedroom has two closets, two walk-in closets. I'll let you see those. There is a shelf at the top that goes all the way around. Really nice size closet. Okay, we're gonna go back. The second closet is just the same as the first. Shelf all the way around with racks, lots of space. And they both have lights. And then we're gonna go into the master bath. The master bath is very pretty. There is enclosed shower with beautiful, beautiful tile. I'm gonna open the flooring is nice. We have a beautiful rain shower head here that has a detachable. There is an inset shelf for your shampoos and soaps. There also is a bench seat there. There is very, very nice granite countertops and white cabinets. Lovely light fixture and double vanity. There's also a linen closet here in the master bath. Now we're going to go to the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom. This is a very large bedroom. It is over the garage on the front of the house. It also has a lovely light fixture, ceiling fan, and this bedroom has a huge walk-in closet as well. Again with the shelf all the way around. Lots of space in this walk-in closet. This is a very nice sized bedroom. Then lastly, we're gonna go see the second bath. Again, this bathroom has a very nice countertop, cabinets. It's all tile. Surround tile on the shower. There's a towel rack here behind the door. Again with the detachable shower head. And very nice light fixture. Now we're going to go back downstairs, and that's going to conclude our virtual open house. Again, if you'd like any information, feel free to contact us at the phone number or at the website on the end of this video. Thanks for coming to our open house. Bye-bye.